till today, a lot of people in Nigeria don't know that they can actually apply for their Nigeria international passport online to save a lot of money. They don't know. They still go to the office where they tell them to pay 50,000, pay 100,000 to get something that you can actually pay 17,500 if you are in other states, or 25,000 if you are in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt and Kwara states. They don't know till date. Well, I'd formerly made a video about how to make your Nigeria international passport online, but the thing is that there are so many things that have changed since then. They have changed their website, and so I'm here to make a fresh video to walk you through how to apply for your Nigeria international passport online for you to save a lot of money, like a lot of money. And the process is the process that has been stipulated by the Nigeria immigration. That is what they have advised that every citizens do at the moment, and I encourage all of you to use that online platform to make your international passport applications. So I'm here to do a tutorial on how you can apply for your Nigeria international passport online with the new website. So let's shoot. Hey guys, so here I'm going to do a tutorial on how you can apply for the Nigeria international passport, the new way of applying to it. So this is the old website, portal.immigration.gov.ng. so ever since then, this website have stopped working since May 7th 2023. So they have a new website now that you can use to apply for your international passport. So this is the new website, immigration.gov.ng. so that is where you just need to click. So this is the old website. If you come here to redirect to the new website, so you click here and then you can go to the new website. So you can now apply for a Nigerian passport online. The online application guideline ensures the application process is simple and easy to use. So what you just need to do is that let me just show you what the website look like. Kind of look comprehensive and quite impressive. I'm so proud. It's a great progress here. Yeah, very good progress here. So if you're applying for the international passport, this is just where you need to click here. So visa, ECOWAS, travel and residence and all of that. So our business is here. So you just need to click here and it will bring you to where you are applying from. So if you're applying from Nigeria, you click here. If you're applying from outside Nigeria, you click here. So you click apply. For further details, you can click how to apply and they will take you through the process. Fill the form and select a passport processing center, choose the payment method, book an appointment, proceed for enrollment or your scheduled date, and wait for passport pickup notification via SMS. Quite impressive. Yeah, so this is just a simple method of how to apply. So what I just need to do is to click apply and go on to fill the application. So this is a new application portal for applicants applying from within Nigeria. Click on the continue button. Yes, I'm applying for within Nigeria. So all you just need to do is to click continue. So when you click on continue, it will bring you to this page where you can start a new application, resume your application, book appointment, check center availability, correction of data, payment status and all of that. So yeah, just have to let me check center availability. So Nigeria, find visa appointments. So you can check here to see the dates that are available. So yeah, 16th is available. So you can do that to see the dates that is available at your nearest center before you continue. Yeah, so you continue, then you start new application. So all you have to do is to fill this. It will take you here take you here. Make sure you fill all your correct information. Look at it over and over and over again before you fill your application. So if you're applying for fresh passport, this is where you should click. If you renew your passport, this is where you should click. I'll do another video to explain in details how to renew your passport, things to do and what not to do. So click here to start your application. Standard passport. There's difference between official passport and standard passport. So official passport is for government officials, so you click for standard passport, then you choose the state that is processing it. Ensure you choose all the necessary information that relates to you. Booklet type, this one will not click yet. I think you have to come here to choose your age before you can click that booklet type. Okay, so selecting now. 32 page, validity 5 years. Let me check if there's still 10 years validity. Okay, there's no 10 years validity, so it's 32 pages and 5 years validity that is available. So this is the fee that you are supposed to pay. So what I'm going to do is to continue. Okay, everything is correct, so I'm going to say I'm not a robot and I'm just going to continue. When you continue, it will take you to this page where you have to fill your name, your surname, all your title and everything. So I'm gonna fill my name here now. First name, then what else? Surname, okay, so ensure that you fill all this. Fill your title, first name, surname, middle name, place of birth, marital status, your gender, your occupation, your national identification number, which is NIN. So ensure you fill all these details and ensure to check that it's very correct. So they are going to tell you to note down the reference number. So what I'm going to do is to just take a picture of the reference number and save it to my phone, and I can come back to it. So here they will ask you to choose your hometown and village. Choose state of origin. Then they'll ask you for your contact number. You have to put it. Then you put your address. Then you choose your state. Choose your local government. Postcode, city, hometown. So you also put your current address here. Okay, so after you finish this section, what you need to do is to press on continue. Ensure that you have filled all the details that is required here, and then you can press continue. Okay, all the places that is starred red means that the place is compulsory. So if you don't have a postcode, you don't know your postcode, no problem. So after filling all these parts, fill all the details of your next of kin. What you have to do is just to press continue, and then it will bring you to a summary of your application. Here you have to check it very well to see that all your details is correct, your name is correct, your date of birth is correct, your address is correct, your NIN is correct, because if you make any mistake here, you may have to pay twice. So I'm going to take time to check all this to ensure that it is correct. So what you have to do is continue and pay. So continue and pay. I'm going to take a photo of this application number as well, because I may need it later. So I'm just gonna take a photo and keep it, and then I'm going to confirm that the information provided is true. Is confirm and pay. So note that pressing OK, your application will be submitted and there will be no correction of data after payment. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay. So before I continue, if after this payment there is no correction that is possible again, so you have to check very well. And I can choose a method of payment. So here I can do cash at bank or card payment, cash at bank, card payment. So I'm just going to choose the one that best aligns. So if you choose this pay stack, you're going to pay 70,800 because 600 naira is the fee. So let's continue to pay. So we just click on pay with card. I will continue. Transaction reference. So this is the summary. This is their charge, 680. So this is everything you need to know. So total amount to be paid 70,680. Do you want to get an email of this transaction? Yes. Put your email. So you just confirm payment, and it will take you to the place that you're going to pay. So here you add your bank details and everything. I've finished the payment. I've made the payment. So what I have to do is to go back to my application and press on confirm payment and put my reference number. So here now I'm putting my reference number, or let me do it. Let me just copy the reference number 12463, and then I'm going to choose go by date of birth. I'm going to put the date of birth. Click I'm not a robot, and then search, and then you can see that the payment status says that I've paid the application. First of all, I have to print this application and save it, because I'm going to take this evidence there, this status of application. So I'm going to save it here. Download receipt. Receipt has been downloaded. That's the receipt, and then I'll book an appointment now. Next, so these are the applications that are available. So I'm going to book Tuesday for the application, for the appointment. Tuesday appointment slot. So I'm going to choose Tuesday. I'm going to choose 9 a.m. Tuesday, and then press next, then print appointment booking slip. Yeah, so this is it. So this is the appointment booking slip. I'm going to download it. Then I'm going to go and look for guarantor's form. I'm going to press and go to home, then go to apply, press continue. So I'm going to come here and click here and log in by my reference number. So go by application, date of birth, no robot, then continue. Then this is the guarantor's form. So what you have to do is to now download this. So you're going to download it. So this is it. So this is the guarantor's form. I've made a video on how to fill the guarantor's form before, so ensure that your guarantor fills this form for you. So and then you take this to court and then they fill it. I've made a video about it. You can go check details on it. You will now take this application form, your payment details, your payment receipt, your appointment slip, and your guarantors form, filled guarantors form that is being stamped in the court. Take this alongside your state of origin, your national number, which is called NIN. So take that as well, your state of origin and your birth certificate. Take it to your appointment, and passport. Yes, passport photograph. Those are the documents that you are now going to take to your appointment. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys. So that's just the summary of how to apply to the Nigeria International Passport online. Do this process and you're going to save yourself a lot of money. So if you have any question, please put it in the comment section and I'll attend to them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in our next video. Goodbye.